Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share an amazing video with you that you won't want to miss. Have you ever found yourself stuck with a phone that's locked to a carrier you don't want to use? If so, don't worry because in this video, I'll show you how to unlock your phone from any carrier using a completely free method. The first step is to insert an unsupported SIM card into your phone. This simply means using a SIM card from a carrier that is different from your original one. Once you power up your phone, you'll receive a message asking for an unlock code. All you have to do is enter the unlock code, and boom! Your phone is now fully unlocked and ready to be used with any carrier you choose. To get a free carrier unlock code, simply visit useanysim.com and follow the easy-to-follow instructions provided. Once you've completed the process, you'll receive a network unlock code via email or a status unlocked notification in the app, depending on your device's carrier. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way soon.